The budgeting struggle is real. We've all been there, staring at spreadsheets, tracking every single rupee. It feels like a chore, doesn't it? Most budgeting advice feels restrictive. It makes saving money seem impossible. What if I told you there's a better way? A way to save a significant amount, say 1 lakh rupees this year, without all that stress. The promise, an easier path to 1 lakh rupees. Today, we're talking about the anti-budget. It's simple, it's effective, and it works. Imagine saving 1 lakh rupees this year. That's over 8,000 rupees every single month. This isn't about deprivation, it's about automation. It's about peace of mind. Let's discover how to make your money work for you, not the other way around. My story. From budgeting burnout to anti-budget bliss. For years, I tried every budgeting method. Detailed spreadsheets, fancy apps, I'd track my chai, my bus fare, every single expense. It was exhausting. I felt guilty if I overspent on anything. It made money feel like a burden. Then I discovered the anti-budget, and everything changed. It freed up my mental energy. It actually helped me save more. I stopped focusing on what I couldn't spend. I started focusing on what I could achieve. What is the anti-budget? The core concept. So, what exactly is the anti-budget? It's surprisingly simple. You don't track every expense. You only focus on one thing. You automate your savings. First, before you spend a single rupee. This is often called paying yourself first. Once your savings are secured, the rest of your money is yours to spend. Guilt-free. No more spreadsheets, no more daily tracking, just freedom. How to implement the anti-budget? The simple steps. Implementing the anti-budget is a 3-step process. Step 1. Decide how much you want to save. A percentage works best. Many experts recommend 10% to 20% of your take-home pay. If your goal is 1 lakh rupees this year, that's roughly 8,333 rupees a month. This amount must be realistic for your income. Step 2. Set up an automatic transfer. The day your salary hits your account, that fixed amount should move immediately to a separate savings account, or an SIP. Make it untouchable. Out of sight, out of mind, you won't even miss it. Step 3. Enjoy the rest of your money. Whatever is left after your automated savings is yours to live your life. This is where the anti part comes in. No more micromanaging. The magic behind it. Why it works so well? Why is the anti-budget so effective? It taps into human psychology. First, it removes decision fatigue. You decide once, then it's done. Second, it leverages automation. Consistency is key to saving. You don't rely on willpower every day. Third, it creates financial freedom. The guilt disappears. Knowing your savings goal is being met gives you incredible peace of mind. Imagine hitting that 1 lakh rupee target just by setting it and forgetting it. Who is the anti-budget for? Is it right for you? The anti-budget isn't for everyone. If you have fluctuating income, it might be challenging. But if you have a relatively stable income, if you're tired of budgeting stress, if you want to achieve significant savings without the daily grind, then the anti-budget could be your game changer. Common questions and pitfalls. A realistic view. Some common questions come up. What if I can't save 20%? Start with 10% or even 5%. The key is consistency. Increase it as you can. What if I overspend the rest? This is where self-awareness comes in. The anti-budget isn't a license for reckless spending. It's about knowing your limits. But by securing your savings first, you've already won the biggest battle. Call to action and outro. Start your 1 lakh journey. So, are you ready to stop budgeting and start saving? Take control of your money. Aim for that 1 lakh rupee goal this year. Set up that automatic transfer and watch your savings grow effortlessly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Share your anti-budget goals in the comments below. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into another incredibly simple yet powerful budgeting framework. The 50-30-20 rule. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. And here's to a year of effortless saving.